Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and developments in the world of technology. But before we start, if you are new here, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button to ensure you don't miss any updates. In today's video, we will discuss the impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on the entertainment industry and how it shapes the future of media. AI is being used in content creation in several ways. Here are some examples. AI algorithms generate content automatically, such as articles, news reports, and social media posts. These algorithms analyze data from various sources and use natural language processing (NLP) techniques to create human-like text. For example, GPT-3, a language model developed by OpenAI, can generate articles and even code snippets. Video and audio editing. AI-powered video and audio editing tools can analyze footage and audio recordings and make adjustments automatically, such as adjusting the brightness, contrast, or color balance. These tools can also detect and remove background noise, generating music tracks and sound effects. Speech recognition. AI-powered speech recognition tools can transcribe audio and video content, making it easier to create captions and subtitles. They can also analyze speech patterns to identify the speaker's emotions, tone, and intent. Content optimization. AI algorithms can analyze data from various sources, such as social media, website traffic, and search engines, to identify popular topics and trends. This data can be used to optimize content creation, ensuring the content is relevant and engaging for the target audience. AI is being used in the entertainment industry to offer personalized experiences to users. Here are some examples. Content recommendations. AI algorithms analyze user data, such as viewing history, search queries, and ratings, to recommend content tailored to their preferences. Streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Hulu use AI to suggest movies and TV shows that users will likely enjoy. Dynamic pricing. AI algorithms can analyze user behavior, such as the time of day and the device they're using, to adjust pricing for content. For instance, a user who always watches movies on weekends may receive a discount on weekend rentals. Voice-activated personalization. Voice-activated personalization is becoming increasingly popular in the entertainment industry. Voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home can use AI to recognize users' voices and provide personalized recommendations based on their interests. Interactive storytelling. AI is being used to create interactive experiences in storytelling. For instance, in video games, AI can adapt the gameplay based on the user's actions, creating a personalized experience. In virtual reality, AI can generate personalized environments based on the user's preferences. AI is used in virtual reality and gaming to enhance the user experience in several ways. Here are some examples. Intelligent NPCs. Non-playable characters, NPCs, in games can be made more intelligent using AI. AI algorithms can be used to create NPCs that respond to the player's actions in a more natural way, offering a more immersive gameplay experience. For instance, NPCs can be programmed to react to the player's emotional state, such as showing fear or aggression based on the player's behavior. Procedural generation. AI algorithms can generate content in virtual reality and gaming, such as landscapes, characters, and items. This procedural generation technique can create vast worlds with unique content. For instance, Minecraft uses procedural generation to create infinite worlds with unique landscapes. Personalization. AI can personalize virtual reality and gaming experiences based on the user's preferences. For instance, AI algorithms can adjust the difficulty level of a game based on the player's skill level, making it more challenging or easier depending on the user's performance. Natural language processing. AI-powered chatbots and voice assistants can be used in virtual reality and gaming to interact with users using natural language processing (NLP). This technology allows users to communicate with the game using voice commands and get personalized responses based on their preferences. AI is transforming the virtual reality and gaming industry by offering new ways to create immersive experiences and personalized content. AI is used in marketing and advertising to enhance targeting, personalization, and automation. Here are some examples. Targeted advertising. AI algorithms can analyze user data, such as browsing history and online behavior, to offer personalized advertising. For instance, Facebook and Google use AI to show targeted ads to users based on their interests and demographics. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can be used in advertising to offer personalized responses to customers. For instance, chatbots can offer product recommendations and answer customer queries in real time. AI is transforming the entertainment industry in many ways. From content creation to personalization, virtual reality to marketing and advertising, AI is reshaping the future of media. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative uses of AI in the entertainment industry. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech trends.